Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Today I want to present about the research paper on spray painting robot for painting irregular workpiece prepared by IRJET, which is International Research Journal of Engineering and Technology. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Azmi and I am from BMS 4. My metric number is 01 BMS21 f3001. For the introduction, spray painting is a painting technique where a device spray a coating like paint, ink, or varnish, proof the air into a surface. The most common types they employ was compressed gas, usually used by air, to atomize and direct the paint particles. Painting robot and industrial robot in general have a reputation of only being affordable to the largest and most technologically adept companies. But today's reality, however, it is far different as robots of all kinds are now highly viable for all full range of smaller, general industries markets and applications. Painting robots now have the ability to control all aspects of spray parameters, fan air, atomization, air, fluid flow, voltage, and others. Can all be controlled by the robot control system. They say that the robotic system provides the same performance as that of complex robotic arm at a fraction of its cost. Then for this robot in the research, the design of the robot is it has base which is 4 bars diamond pattern as a support. Then it has inclined portion of soft structure. It also have the carriage slides on the base structure with the help of roller bearings. The guide is for the movement. The guideways is for the movement of the spray gun. The gun was mounted on a mount which has slider and also has encoder motor. Then it is 4-axis robot. This is the example of the robot that is made from the cat. Then the features for the robot, according to the research paper, is it has hydraulic system, auto lubrication system or ALS, LiDAR in the system, ultrasonic sensor, and electrostatic painting. The result then this is the result for the research, which is the efficiency of the robot was greater than the manual efficiency, which is seen in the chart above, and thus the difference can be noted. The conclusion is the automation increase operator efficiency. It is need of skilled labor is eliminated. Implementation of electrostatic spray painting reduce the paint consumption by 9%. Thus, it increase the profit margins. Electrostatic spray painting for large scale production increase productivity and consistency in quality, reducing rework and minimizing rejection. Accurate path planning of spray pattern help to further eliminate double costs and runs off. The system paints only when an object is detected. The sensor detect the boundaries and topographies and depend on it can paint multiple types of axle. That's all from me. Now I will give this to Shukri for the next of his research presentation.
Thank you to Aiman Azmi. So today I want to present about a research paper on robotic welding prepared by thank you Mama Aiman Azmi. So today I am Shukri Thank you, Aiman bin Muhammad Azmi. Okay. Thank you, Aiman bin Muhammad Azmi. Today I want to present about a research paper on robotic welding. My number metric is f3007. Thank you, Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Azmi. So today I want to present about a research paper on robotic welding. My name is Muhammad Shukri. My number metric is 01BMS21 f3007. The first introduction. Robot is a machine carrying out complex series of operations. A machine designed to execute one or more tasks out automatically with speed and precision. Welding is a process of joining different materials. The large bulk of material that are welded are metal ends, their alloys. Top welding is also applied to the joining of other material. For this is a robot arc welding. Technique in which a metal are welded using the heat generated by an electric arc. Second, the working condition is typically unpleasant and hazardous. And third, the arc from the welding process emit ultraviolet radiation which is insidious to human vision. And next, as a result, welders are required to wear eye protection in the form of a welding helmet with a dark window. The next, spark and smoke are generated during the process potential threat to apparatus because of the hazard for human workers in continuous welding. It is logical to consider industrial robot for the purpose. So this is a design of robotic welding. This is a gripper and they had a robot wish. So the features for robotic arc welding: work volume and degrees of freedom, motion control system, and the next precision of motion, and last the programming. So the conclusion of the arc robotic: properly applied robot can accomplish routine and desirable work better than human at the lower cost. As the technology advances and the more people learn how to use the robot, then the robotics market will grow at the rate that will approach the growth with the computer market over the past 30 years. Next, there is very reason to believe the automation of work through robotic will lead to substantial increased productivity, and that the productivity increase year by year will be permit humans to engage in activities that are cultural and recreational. Lastly, on that, not only robotic improve our standard of living, it will also improve our standard of life. Next, I want to pass to Usama bin Zulkifli.
Thank you to Muhammad Shukri Abu Bakar. Firstly, my name is Usama bin Zulkifli. My matrix number is 01BMS 21 f3004. Today I will present a research paper of an application of robotic and CNC machine in a production. Firstly, in this paper, industrial automation of process, which is based on fusion of CNC machine and robot, is described. The function of a structure of flexible production cell, its configuration, programming method, and application in industry are explained in detail. The technology process of innovation that enables production is more automated way. An integrated infrastructure consisting of asset, machine, people, mobile device, and information system, and that can be located inside and outside of company of the IR 4.0. The aim of the paper is to examine the possibility of successful installation of an intelligent production system of the latest generation compared to the result with already established production system of the older generation. In this paper, we have described the system, which is the robots in the CNC machine. The robot in the CNC machine is a simulation is simulated in a CAM software. It is determined that the machine will have to work in uniform clock in 3 shifts to achieve the planned quantities. The calculation also includes the degree of safety for an anticipated and unforeseen outage, regular emergency service tool damage. The robots of the CNC was characterized by the ease of connection to pre-hardware device. The system also managed the system also easily to manage and monitors the entire process and communicate with the operator via text or notification on the monitor. Next, in this research paper, we have one automatic clamping system and robot cell, which is the main machine that use the robotic in CNC. In this machine, a clamping head with elastic sleeve that installed on the turntable is required to clamp a 25 diameter workforce. The main problem of this machine is the part. This is because the load of capacity of the turntable during index rotation and during summation rotation. This system solve another problem, which is the deformation of workpiece due different clamping force. A universal robot cell is proof delivered installed for manipulating the piece and servicing the 5-axis CNC machine is equipped this way. Finally, testing the system. In this research, they test the machine with or the system or the CNC robotic using Autodesk drawing. After completing the test series of 100 pieces, the autonomous system is put into operation in 3 shifts all 7 days a week. Finally, further upgrade the system with 3D array sensor in order to save the time needed to pack the preparation on special pallets from which robot to take part. Finally, for the conclusion, it can be concluded that today is impossible to make production that is sustainable and competitive on the global market without the application of high technology and automation. The increasing of the variety of product that market needs imposed on the manufacturer requires high adaptability of production system that can be achieved through the introduction of flexible production system and compose the interoperated device with variable architecture. Finally, in the future, we have predict that we will encounter more flexibility production cells that are managed by artificial intelligence that will able to learn, and human presence will be even less necessary and reduced only to assigning any task. Finally, that's all from us. Thank you.